One thing about this company is they've made things pretty darn easy, I think, for anybody to just follow some simple instruction, usually via video. Okay, so if you have a cell phone or a home computer, laptop, you can sit down and just watch video and you can figure it out. I really think you can. Okay, uh, how to duplicate anything in life is pretty much keep it pretty simple. All right. And I think that's what Live Good has done. All right. Today is our birthday. I'm coincidentally recording this on December 13th of 2023. And that's when we kicked off a year ago in 2022. So happy birthday, Live Good. And I think the reason why we have almost 1 million members and affiliates in just 1 year is because of how easy it is to join and duplicate. It's affordable, $40 one time and $10 a month. Okay, so $50, boom, you can join right now and then take our time and learn and earn. Okay, but I like to earn while you learn. All right, and with my training and the systems that I use, I just show you what I do. You don't have to do any of it. It's all cheap. Don't worry. I'm not trying to make a buck off you. Okay. If I recommend something, it's cheap usually, very affordable. We're talking 20 here. I think the most expensive is $30. And that's because you get 100 emails a day, $1 a day, 30. Okay, get it? And boy, to blast out 3,000 emails a month with ease, I think that's worth doing. Okay. I like to recommend tools like a screwdriver. And the tools that I use, you can use in any business, not just Live Good. But over the last 9 months, I've learned a lot. Okay, it's got me on the leaderboard. I'm in the top 20 out of almost 1 million people. And I have no doubt I'm going to go into the top 10 probably in the next month or two by just using a simple system or just something that you do every day. Okay, I know system sounds like a pain and step-by-step training, but once you know how to do it, it's so easy. It's like shifting a car. Everyone has probably learned how to drive a manual. Now the whole world is mostly on automated transmissions, But if you know how to run your cell phone and get on Facebook and open up a YouTube account or join something like an Amazon account and buy, it's the same thing here. You get a username and a password. You can buy the products if you want. We don't commission our products. They are just for you to consume and use. And if you don't like them, you got 30 days to get your money back. And you get wholesale pricing if you want to go ahead and spend $10 a month. And that's what most people do. But I can concentrate on the $40 one-time fee to become an affiliate because then you can earn money. You can have fun, make video. You can post on TikTok or Instagram, Facebook, social media. Okay? And I love emails. Man, I'm getting good at that. I hope you look into it. TotallyAwesomeLeads.com. That's the program I use. All right. It's $30. It's $1 a day. All right. I just tell you straight up how much it is because if you don't have $1 a day, I get it. You might have to spend that on gas, cell phone. And if you're breaking even each month, good. A lot of my friends, they work all day and they lose about $100 a day, it seems like. And they're like, God, how am I going to make an extra $100 a day if not? And I'm like, I don't know. You got to reduce your costs, the house payments, the car payments, the Netflix accounts. There's a lot that you have to reduce in order to break even in life. Okay. So if you do have an extra $100, let's get you in and let's see if we can get you to earn 100 or 500 a month by just spending 10. I have a lot of people that do that. It's very realistic. And that's why I'm here as an affiliate, not just a guy that can recruit real quick. Guys, I only make $25 if you sign up. Okay. I'm invested in you, just like hopefully you trust me, that you can duplicate and do what I've been able to do. And you can watch other gurus or go to YouTube. I'm sure there's a million other videos out there, but what I do, I think is simple and cheap. All right. Cheap and simple. All right. That's what I am on a date. Take me to McDonald's, give me $1 hamburger, a little ice cream cone. I'm pretty happy. I'm an easy date. That's not really the best food, and it's pretty fattening doing a Live Good video, but you know what? I'll take a vanilla ice cream cone. Like I said, I'm cheap, I'm easy, and I'm definitely honest when it comes to this company because you can be. You don't have to fake it. $10 a month, $40 down, let's get you in. We have products to buy, wholesale. You got the retail prices. Even the ingredients are right there. You don't have to be a member to look at it. Just go to livegood.com and check out either products or shop. You guys, you'll see. And you got 90 days, not 2 weeks, not 30. You have 90 frickin' days, 3 months. Use the products. Take your time. Get your money back if they're boring to you. If they just don't work, get your money back. It's not that you'll hate our products. Our products, they're pretty damn good. Most are sugar-free. They're organic. They're high-end. Worst case scenario is that you just find no real effect using them. Get your money back. Try other products, but at least you gave our products a chance. And like I said, I don't make any money on the product side. We don't commission the products. I'm about the membership side. Well, how can we legally say, go recruit, talk about how cool the company is, and if people join, you can earn a commission, just like a recruiter trying to find the next baseball star, the next person trying to find the next Tom Brady football star, Ronaldo in soccer, to hockey, Gretzky. You always got to have people that go ahead and recruit and try to find people to either buy your product or join your opportunity. Okay, we do it all day long here. We got 1 million people. We're based out of Florida, which is super strict, believe me. And the reason why we kick ass with our government here is because 80% of our products is our 11 million. Okay, we do 11 million a month. 80% of that is product sales. Let me put it that way. The other 20 some odd percent is just membership. And our government like 75-25, we're at 80-20. That's why we keep our membership super cheap at 20. We could get, or 10, we could get 20 a month. Easy. We could say $100 down, but the reason why Ben, our CEO, he said the reason why we keep our membership down to $40 one time and only $10 a month is because it keeps our profit margin within the American government, except even lower. He likes 80-20, not 75-25. So if you see scam videos or somebody freaking out trying to pretend to bash us so you can join their crappy opportunity for 2 or 3 months before they burn out and go to the next one and the next one, there's nothing sadder than, I think, affiliate or network marketing. I'll just be honest. I'm not going to pretend to like something for 3 months and then go to the next and the next. I got talent. I got skills. I'm a pretty badass mofo. Okay, I don't need to do that. A lot of my friends do it. It's just not me. And I smile going, all right, snake oil. Send the snake oil to my house. Give me some of that blinker fluid. I need some blinker fluid to put in my cars and my trucks and my bikes and all my cool shit that need headlights. Okay. I'm a big fan. I'm in the top 20 and I'm proud of that. You can see here's the Live Good leaderboard. Where can I find it here? There it is. Let's see. I'm going to click leaderboard and let's see. You can see that right there, I'm number 18 in the company out of almost 1 million. And Nelma Daniela, I'm going to be passing you. All right, I'm going to get number 17, and I just want to keeping it simple. All right, it's just fun to be on the leaderboard because it's kind of a goof to me because I'm above people that claim that they've been successful in network marketing 30 years. I'm proof that you can have a bad haircut, decorate your walls with Hot Wheels, and you can just do a simple step-by-step thing, and you can pretty much probably, disclaimer, earn enough money to pay your bills each month. I'm doing it, and I'm nothing fancy, trust me. I can't stand affiliate, network, MLM, all that shit. I could give 3 shits, not even 2, not even 1. If I can do it, I'm going to show you what I do. I'm convinced that you can do it. Okay, so anyway, I'll end my video now. I use 2 videos to do all my training and recruiting. I want you to go to joincory.com and workwithcory.com. Both links are below the video. Okay, I want you to get some domains set up for about $25. I want you to come up with 30 because I want you to get 3,000 emails a month. And it's easy, trust me. My attention span is very short. If I have to set up all these systems and everything else, I'm so out of there. I don't want you to be like setting shit up. I want you to earn while you learn, not the other way around, okay? Deal? Thank you. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And go ahead and bookmark my Facebook page. All that info's below. And happy birthday to Live Good. This is December 13th, 2023. It really is our 1-year birthday. And 11 million a month, 222 countries. Pulling in 11 million a month is outstanding, but almost 1 million members is awesome. Okay, guys, I'm at the 10-minute mark. My work is done. You guys have a good day. See ya.